Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn Locust Pose or Salabhasana. Friends, this is a backward bend, chest opening, strengthening asana, and it can be practiced by a beginner. Anatomically, this asana impacts the neck, the back, the spine, also the arms, also the thighs, the hamstrings and the legs. It is also impacting the lungs, the chest. When you perform this asana helps you to strengthen the spine, strengthen the buttocks, strengthen the back of the arms and the back of the legs. It also stretches the thighs, it stretches the belly, it stretches the chest and the shoulders beautifully. Friends, when you perform this asana can help you to improve the posture. Also, it is very good to stimulate the organs which are there inside the abdomen. When you practice this, it will also help you to relieve stress. That is the reason why this asana is very good for backache, for people who have digestive issue, to increase the energy and remove the fatigue. Also those who have menopausal problem, it is very good for them. Those who have menstrual discomfort, they can also practice this asana. Now, if you have any serious back injury, avoid this. If you have a neck problem, keep the head neutral, don't lift the chin too high. If you want, you can use a blanket and keep the forehead rested on the blanket also. This asana is done in a prone position, lying on the abdomen. You can use a blanket to keep it underneath the lower rib cage and the pelvis to support and have a nice firm grounding. So let's watch this asana. Lie down on the abdomen. Hands are relaxed by the side, turning the face, legs are relaxed, heels are relaxed. Now let's take the starting position. So keep the forehead on the ground. If you feel this is becoming uncomfortable, you can even bring the chin down, whatever that is comfortable to you. Hands by the side of the body, lengthen the legs. So when you lengthen the legs, you are actually allowing the sacrum coccyx region to press down towards the pubis. You are lengthening the lower back. Then with inhalation, you will lift your legs, you will lift your chest, you will lift your arms and also the head region. Now friends, when you do this, you should feel that you are pushing the heels away so that you are making the back of the legs stronger. You are also stretching the toes out. And you are actually lifting the shoulders, allowing the shoulder blades to squeeze. Hold in this position, breathe in this position. Keep the head nice and tall. When you do this, you will feel that you are actually balancing on the lower rib, on the belly and on the front of the pelvis. Just maintain like this, nice, long, energizing the legs, energizing the arm, squeezing the shoulder blade, drawing the shoulder blade down towards the tailbone. Hold, breathe. If possible, you can raise the hands and make the hands parallel to the floor also. At the end of exhalation, maybe holding for about 5 breaths, slowly come down. And you can turn your face on one side if you feel like, or bring the hands in front and allow the forehead to rest. Let the elbows go a little out. Let the breath settle down. Hold there for a few breaths, then repeat 2 or 3 more times. This slowly, when we practice this locust pose, allows us to learn how to do a backward bend. In fact, it's a very mild backward bend. So when we keep on practicing, the other backward bend starts happening a little easier also. When you're balancing on the abdomen, it stimulates the organs which are there inside the abdomen, and that's the reason why it is also very good for the organs of the abdomen. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get updates of new videos that we will post. If you have any valuable feedback, suggestions, please write to us. If you want us to cover any special subject related to yoga, do write. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. Namaste.